In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up billing rates in Clio Manage. By the end, you will have updated the billing rate for your profile or for another user if you are editing their settings. Start by logging in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are signed in and the main dashboard has loaded, go to Settings. This is the area where account and user preferences are managed, including billing details tied to individual profiles. From there, open your profile if you are updating your own billing rate. If you need to change the billing rate for someone else, open the user record for that person instead. Make sure you are editing the correct user before you continue, especially if your account includes multiple team members with similar roles. After the profile or user settings page opens, scroll down until you reach the billing rate visibility section. In this area, choose the visibility option that matches how you want the billing rate to appear within the system. The exact choices may vary depending on your account setup, so focus on selecting the option that fits your firm's billing preferences and internal access needs. Once the visibility setting is in place, continue to the USD billing rate field. This is where you enter the hourly billing rate for that user. Type the rate carefully and confirm that the amount reflects the correct hourly value before moving on. If your account uses US dollars, this field will display as USD with the dollar symbol, which helps you identify the correct place to enter the amount. After entering the billing rate, take a moment to review any other user settings if needed. This is not required for the billing rate itself, but if you're already on the profile page, it can be a good time to look over related account details and make sure nothing else needs to be updated. If no other changes are necessary, you can move directly to the final step. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save New Information. This applies the changes you just made, including the billing rate and the visibility setting. If the page takes a moment to process, wait until the update completes before navigating away. This helps ensure that the new billing details are fully saved to the user profile. Once the save is complete, the updated billing rate will be stored in Clio Manage under that profile or user account. If you need to adjust additional users, you can repeat the same process from the settings area and open each profile one at a time. Your billing rate settings are now updated and saved in Clio Manage.